In this video, we'll show you how to turn on voice chat in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so first things first, Minecraft Java doesn't have built-in voice chat. So if you want real voice chat in Minecraft, we're gonna use a mod called Simple Voice Chat. Alright, to download Simple Voice Chat, you can go to GuideRealm, and once you're here, you want to go to the Files tab and download the correct game version. And for the mod loader, we're gonna use Fabric in this video. Click three dots here and hit Download File. Save it somewhere on your PC, hit Save, and the download will start. Before we continue, a quick shout out to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're planning to play with friends and want a server that's online all the time, Apex Hosting makes that really easy. You don't have to host the server on your own PC, and you don't have to deal with things like port forwarding or extra setup. If you want to check them out, the link is in the description and pinned in the comment. If you use their service, you're supporting the channel, so thank you so much. The next thing we need is Fabric Loader. You can go to fabricmc.net, just hit download, and you're gonna download the universal jar. Once you're finished downloading, now we're gonna install Fabric. You can right click on it, open with another app, select Java from the list, and hit always. It'll open up the installer, select your Minecraft version, and then hit install. Once it's done, you can click OK and close this one. Now you can open up Minecraft launcher on the bottom left, make sure it says Fabric Loader and the game version is correct, and then go to the installations tab on the top and look for your Fabric installation. Click the folder icon on the right. Here, look for a folder called mods. Now to install Simple Voice Chat, just drag and drop it into the mods folder. I'm in the game now, and if you install everything correctly, you can press V on your keyboard and it should open the voice chat menu. Now here you can customize your settings. We have a video on that. In my case, I can press M on my keyboard and I can use the voice chat, and that's it.